Hello, yeah, I want to talk about bees here today. This is my Russian friend Pavel. He's an expert on bees, and I called him over to my house because I had this swarm of bees that showed up in my garage. And they've been here for 3 or 4 days now, and I think there might be a queen in there, but I want Pavel to look at him and maybe talk about him here, see what he's going to do. Okay, so Pavel, it's your turn.
Hello. Okay, look the looks right here. We have questions and stay a little bit moving for property. It's no good because bees remember this hole. If moving maybe half mile or 1 mile, it's not right because bees return back, fly bees return back, and will be problem. Need moving after, pick up this, looks this family, put neck another box. We have another box right here. Pick up.
Yeah.
We have another box. Right now check, queen, everybody, put another box, close it, enter, and moving for property, probably for Bruce.
Okay.
How many miles from here?
Just half a mile.
Far.
How many?
About half a mile.
Half, not too much. I need minimum 4 miles.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because everybody come back too.
There's a good chance they'll return.
Okay, it will be conversations later where you're moving, it's no problem.
Okay.
Or for my property moving right now,
Sure.
no problem.
Okay.
After 3-4 weeks, you come back to pick up.
Oh, okay.
I will be correct, check too, it's no problem.
So they get used to the place, their home. Otherwise they'll come back flying here.
You have more family?
I do. I want to show you the one in the woods now.
Oh, we have one more.
This is the one, see, there came a bunch of bees and they landed on here. I took the box with most of the bees, brought them 100 yards to the woods.
Okay, check.
And a bunch of the bees end up trying to find that original house, and they ended up dying on the floor here. And now I have more bees coming here, and they don't appear to be the same family because they're living here. So
Yeah.
we have 2 bunches of bees here that just showed up.
Okay.
So how do you catch the swarm? Did they just fly in there?
It just showed up here in my garage. I just had these boxes stored here.
Oh no, wow, no way. That's pretty cool.
No catch himself.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. It's dog here, Bruce. Your dog, he catch
He's catching bees. Yeah.
bees. No put stinger. One time put stinger. He'll
Yes.
he not understand.
He will learn though.
He'll learn.
Okay. Give me some tools. We'll do it again.
Okay, let's take this here. Okay.
He eating all bees. Move out, dog.
He's crazy dog.
I know. Okay, thank you.
They're cleaning up the.
Yeah, I
Now
see.
we got it.
Doing clean. See?
Oh
We
yeah.
have mosses. Mosses clean. Everything clean, you know?
Yeah.
So
that's good.
It's good.
Okay.
You see?
What's that?
We have
Moss?
mosses inside. Bees clean up, everything move out, doing
Turn it the other way.
clean.
There you go.
Better looks?
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Did he get it?
yeah, looks good.
Good. Pull back. Check it. Inside.
Yeah, I was hoping they'd do that because there was some wax moths starting to get in here.
I know.
I was glad to see that they're
Yeah.
cleaning them up.
Are you willing?
Good, clean. You see, clear.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
How many days stay here?
Oh, I don't know, 3-4 days, maybe longer. Longer than that, yeah, way longer.
You don't know. Okay.
Get your tongue with
Because they were here when I got back from the Philippines, and that was a week ago.
Still acting like
No,
a puppy.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's do that nectar.
They're starting to put some in
they're
there.
still.
Yeah, nectar.
Do you see any eggs?
Eggs I don't see. Wait. Just me nectar.
So what's his name?
Willie.
Willie?
You
You reacted to that.
come here outside. Put stinger. Okay, cheers, it's not fly.
See? He got you.
I think he stepped on the bee.
See what it is? Nectar. Yeah. this stay back up,
Looks like they got-
maybe not queen because you're moving this box probably, right? It's one family. Right here, one family.
I don't know. That's what I need to know.
Queen, I don't know.
Why are they? They're fanning this to dry it out. Yeah.
Yeah, stay back. This must be. I don't see. Ah, trouble. Ah, back crying. Ah, dog crying. Said, "Help me! Help!
How many times is he gonna do that
He
before
not
he learns it?
understand. He not understand what's happening.
He's learning. He's going to school.
You're right. I don't see X right here. Only a little bit. You see lightly. That's not a big one. No, this she.
Hey Pavel, did you know my dog is Russian?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, he knows how to
Yeah,
say.
no,
Молодец.
you got him from Vilnius,
Молодец.
Lithuania.
Lithuania. He speaks Russian.
Oh, okay. Dog, can you speak Russian? No.
When he was a little puppy.
He only doing same like everybody dog. Ow, ow, ow.
he said,
Ow, 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 ow.
I gotta say,
Make sure you include that on there.
Молодец.
I'll be there.
Хорошо, молодец. Good. Excellent. Thank you. You speak Russian. Dog, listen only.
That's the only thing I know.
And this small. No queen. I don't see. White fly, only no queen. I don't
So
see.
why would they be coming and laying down nectar when there's no queen here?
Yeah.
Why would they do that?
The small family, small she fly. It's good. Maybe for you better put temporary out because no need it better.
Yeah.
Right?
No.
If you don't want moving, put temporary out right here.
Yeah.
And will be put one frame X right here. This family will be doing new queen.
Okay.
It's all.
Okay.
What do you think?
I'm surprised that they're
Yeah,
even
it's
doing
small
it.
family, and probably after 2 months will be queen.
You know what I think happened then is when I moved this, it was during the day, in the afternoon. A third of the bees were out flying,
Yes.
and they came back here and they didn't know where else to go. So they just, without a queen, they set up shop here and started
Oh,
working.
just meant looking another family.
Yeah, let's go look at that one.
Maybe we have frames queen X
Yeah.
and come in. I put right here queen X.
Okay.
And
All right.
nighttime.
Well, should we take a few of these frames to put in the other one?
Oh, it's okay. It's fine. Family grow.
No, but we're gonna put some frames in here and we'll need some room.
Hey, what's your name?
Yes.
Right.
Then-
Yes. One now because one frame's put.
Just one frame?
One frame.
Brian
Yes.
Rose.
Okay, let's go get the other one then.
It's all.
Alright.
Let's look at the other one then.
Let's go.
His name is, his given name was Dim Darvini Strata. He's from Vilnius, Lithuania. But I call him Dylan.
Bruce shipped him over, he got stuck in Moscow. He missed his plane coming to New York.
Oh,
Yeah. He spent the day in Moscow.
oh, good. Right now warm, no problem. No, bees not doing. Oh, this pretty good family, my friend. Top one. top one little bit.
That's very good.
Okay.
But it's not bad, huh, for free ones?
Excellent. Very nice. Okay.
Look at them. Nice.
It's swarm pretty good. Swarm very good start.
We can put that frame in here, eh?
I put right here. Late, temporary. Just me check. Need room. Late.
You're gonna find the queen?
Yeah. Checking everybody.
Gotta check everybody.
Queen. See, this is honey brim. Swarm.
Oh, look at that.
Or it's ready honey extraction for your use.
I'm happy about that.
Swarm doing a touch right here.
Oh yeah, it's already out. I got stuck.
Oh, what's thinking? Ooh, you too fast. Sorry. You touch too?
Let me feel
Be
it.
careful, yeah. See?
Oh yeah, it's nice.
We have honey. It's fresh.
That's smart.
Don't worry. You beekeeping closet brood, perfect.
Let's see if we got any bees in there.
No, this no queen, and brood inside, warm. You see warm, like this. You see
So you
warm.
think we should take this brood and put it over there?
No, this brood not come in. Must be looking eggs. This is
Where's the
warm. Eggs must be stay around more down. Just me. You have glasses good. Just me time look. Right here eggs.
You see some? Oh yeah, plenty.
In there right here.
Oh, yeah. Look at all those worms in there.
You see eggs right here or no looking on the
Are
light.
these white ones here?
Light, come here. I show for you for sunshine. She put eggs.
Well, all these eggs right here, all these white ones?
Yeah, but he's showing the little ones in there.
A little in there right here, in there, this hole. See this hole?
Yeah.
I see right here, in there.
There's eggs everywhere.
Yes.
Different stages.
This is small baby
What
worm.
do we got here?
This is queen cell. It is beza. Not right now. It's a future.
Yeah.
Doing. It's good. She put good. This is honey. This is closet brood. After 12 days, go outside.
Maybe you should show Daniel a little
Yeah.
bit close.
And this second frame, first frames, we have honey. Second frames, and we have brood closet. And this is swarm coming for house, and will be check first time. What he doing? He doing good. Swarm always doing good. This is special for hole for drones. You see?
Yeah,
Separate.
larger holes for
Yeah,
drones.
this frames no
It's interesting how they got them so close. the smaller
close
ones.
and contact. Yeah, it's big
Yeah.
and small to
Yeah.
Oh, I
big.
didn't know they got bigger for the
This is
drone.
for drone. Before we have right here hole. And
Oh yes.
Swarm doing new.
Yeah, right. This,
fix
you can
it,
see the
fix-
lighter waxes and new
Later
stuff.
new waxes and
Yeah.
later.
Yeah.
No kidding, they fill it right in. It's amazing how they just
They
blend
decided
together.
to make
like
them
that.
all drones in the new section.
Drones swarm not doing drones. Why? Because swarm no needed doing against swarm.
Oh,
This family one time doing swarm, right now not doing. If family not doing swarm, and after winter doing too many drones. Swarm not doing too many drones, only construction right here. Sometimes put honey, sometimes empty.
Now they're empty.
Okay, right now empty and clean up, everything good looks, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, put inside and check queen.
Well, they put on both sides, they put the drone hole.
Both sides same,
Yeah.
you're right. It's perfect, family perfect. You have good area, nectar. I have too many bees and everybody said, for me nectar, for me nectar. One more, eat food. You have only one family, it's perfect. You see, perfect, excellent. You see, it's honey, the top one around, and brood.
I want to know where the queen is.
Checking. You see, too fast grow, not too many bees and too many brood. You see, bees not too many and brood too many because this swarm doing like this.
Probably because they lost half of their bees over there. Huh?
Yeah, just me to check everybody and one frames put for bees or something because right here we have fly bees. It's excellent. They put a little bit brood and family fast grow. Number 3, brood again, closet, perfect. Right here, queen, perfect.
You found the queen?
Yes,
Oh, you got to show Daniel the queen.
right here.
Oh yeah. Yep, there she is.
Very, very nice, big one, good swarm. Yeah,
I think you need to show Daniel this one.
see queen,
Where?
one right here.
Mm-hmm.
And this queen command from swarm. I have idea this is swarm for old queen because maybe young.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you have around beekeepers?
I don't know of any.
Oh, okay.
I was wondering where they came from. I have no idea.
Okay, maybe young, because swarm fly. You see like this. Need change story.
Oh yeah.
This put bottom story
Yeah.
and top story put top.
Okay, and I'll get this queen excluder here.
Yes,
Put it
yes,
on there.
sir. And
Let me see that tool that you have here. I want to clean this up a little. Take this.
no,
Here, I'll take that.
You keep in this safe. This nobody touch you. I am pick up right here.
Yeah, there you go. Here, I'll take this and put it out of the way so you can put it down on there.
Okay. Right now I need to take out because you have safe right here. And take out and put this down.
Okay. Put all the brood down there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Everything maybe honey put top for start. Put honey more. I put right here. Okay. Lay it will be correct.
Okay.
Temporary.
Yeah, the brood needs to be in the bottom so that we can collect honey off the top one.
This is, you see, we don't have brood for this
Right.
frames. It's put side because this is freshly and for honey.
That's for honey. Let's put that up here.
Will be stuck in everybody here. This good for brood. It's good too. It is whole very clean up. Everybody good. Okay, put. Stinger put.
You got one, huh? You're not immune. The master beekeeper gets one.
No.
Yes, everybody want. Because need little bit smoker. We don't have smoker. Okay, no problem. Like this. Come on, sir.
Okay, you got make sure she's still there.
Okay, queen right here.
Okay. You don't worry about putting it in the center. You can put it anywhere.
Right here, queen corner. You see? Corner. This corner. This corner.
Which one?
Go for me. Top one. For my finger. Right here.
Oh, right there. Yeah. That's your queen.
She will be put more eggs for you. Right here. Family fast grow. Right here.
Okay.
Put right here. One more frames empty.
Okay.
This family will be. She put eggs.
Okay.
And one take out.
Do you need some more frames?
This is not good frames because nobody put here. Yes, take out. It's late.
Get whacked again.
Okay, training again.
They're starting to get angry sounding.
See like this. Clean up.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's bad.
Clean up. It is osmosis. Swarm come in, look in bad situation, and too many cocoons from mosses. He clean, swarm clean up. We help little bit, take out garbage.
Brian, you guys need to clean up the excluder thing? Yeah, I was just going to do that. They're getting mad. They're starting to sound mad.
This good. Family finishes right here.
Yeah.
Right now, take out and put right here. Take out right here.
Put down on the bottom. Every other one, right?
Yes, yes. This family fast fix it. Now stay inter, little bit go away because family cannot go inside.
From the exit.
Oh, I see.
You're in their flight way.
We're in the flight path.
Yeah.
You getting nailed again?
Maybe we should get a spray bottle or something with water.
Put my nose.
In my
Sorry.
nose. Oh my.
I don't give for you my nose.
Hey, Brute.
It's not good.
Should I get a spray bottle or something?
Yeah, that could work really well right now, especially when it's hot.
Yeah. What to do? We have problem because no put the smoker and no spray bottle.
No smoker or no spray bottle.
Too fast work. Too fast catch stinger.
Are we almost done here or should I go run get one?
Okay, you see?
I think we get him close.
Good. Put next one.
Usually
Remember
keeps
to first clean up everything.
one
Just
frame
put
of honey
next
on the
one.
side
It's
of the
good.
box for the
Okay.
brood box. They're gonna fill it up for them to eat, and on top it's usually for us.
Хорошо.
Хорошо, put stinger. Good stinger. It's a very good family.
Yeah, that would
And
be good.
even Willie.
We need to save one brood for that other
I see,
box,
I see,
though,
I
right?
see. You're right,
Yeah,
you're right.
Probably the one with the eggs.
This
So they
brood
can grow
will
their
be
own
safe.
queen.
And put
Should I
right
go bring
here.
him over there?
I put right here temporary.
Okay.
This for honey better. Mm. Mm. This good, this good. For honey better, not top one. This will be fix it. Everybody fix it and doing how needed. Next one, everybody go to honey. Check here. See, before we have Moses right here, this clean up everything, doing good. Right here cannot clean up, you see like this. Shoot. It's all good. Good family. Okay, put queen excluder right here.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Now, we'll put this box on top.
Yes, my friend. Good. This box put top, and right now put right here.
Put the rest of the frames in, fill it in.
Wait, we have right here. This frame we pick up. This put together. Just meant looking what's here. Oh, this good frames too, my friend.
So which ones are we going to bring from the other box?
X too much right here for another box.
This one's got some queen starts. Maybe we should put this one over there.
No. Queen separate start because this queen start if you have queen.
Oh,
If you don't have queen, and queen start for any hole.
Oh, I see.
It's a fake queen, or more of a drone. I don't know.
She mostly be put. This is honey, my friend. Excellent extraction. It's too honey for you.
Okay.
This honey and this honey. If you need it extraction, you pick up right here too.
Okay.
Extraction right now for testing. Maybe 1/4, maybe a little bit more. Better.
Okay.
I put between right here frames,
Yeah.
empty. This two full.
Okay.
This two pick up. Right now moving right here.
Okay.
Right here put as for honey, clean up. Everybody busy. After 10 days will be 2 boxes.
Really?
Bees because brood open.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what they start close it this brood.
Yeah.
If tomorrow close it this brood, it's not really. It's maybe 5 days late. Maybe after 5 days you see looking. Ooh, too many bees. And this is a family no more doing swarm.
Won't swarm anymore?
No more because one time,
Oh.
99% one time.
Oh, okay.
Because right now grow everything fix it.
Okay.
Okay. These 2 frames we pick up.
Okay. You want some more?
Right here.
Okay.
Need pick up. It's good. You see like this,
Yeah.
Moses.
Oh, yeah.
Fix it right here. Coconut Moses. It's good. Okay, need 2 put right here and close the top roof. Oh,
We need 3 more to go in there, right?
3. 1, 2, 3. And
Okay.
2 I am pick up and
Okay. I'll just put these in once you get them down.
You put 3 and these 2 will be go away and close it.
This one here.
Yeah.
Is that 10? 2, 4. That's only 9.
9, squeeze. Right here. Pick up right here. Excellent. You have empty box, stay right here.
Yeah.
Put top 1.
Put top.
Yeah, close
Put
it
this on
together.
top?
Yeah, put top 1. No mosses, everybody clean up
Okay.
and save your frames, you know.
Yeah, keeps the
And
moss.
wait. And put together.
Okay.
Extra room, if honey come on, you have extra honey always.
Okay.
Okay, this family ready.
I'll go put more up there later.
Yes,
Okay.
everything good.
Hey Willie, come on.
All right.
Go a little bit more brood, and for small swarm, we don't have queen. I don't know why, maybe fly.
Do you think these will fly back?
It does not fly back because
We're gonna take him to our property.
this is
Oh,
stay
yeah.
inside. Inside this.
Okay.
Just not show everything. Stinger, see. Don't want. Pavel. These frames, we have X. 2 round on light. Сюда посмотри. See like this? Everybody looks?
Mm-hmm.
Swarm. Worm inside and eggs.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Worm inside and eggs. You see
You got
middle worm?
nectar on the outside ones, and then
Small
eggs
worm
on
white.
the
You see?
inside.
White
Yeah.
worm. You looks good. White worm and round eggs. This is right here. Honey. Nectar. And this doing feed for worm and eating honey, no go. This like storage.
I see.
Same this side. See? Worm.
Mm-hmm.
Worm and this is nectar. And this is swarm. Very good bring nectar.
Uh-huh.
Hold. Keep it.
Better watch where I put them this time.
You learn it. You have?
Okay.
Put close.
Okay.
Tools.
Oh yeah, what do they do with the tool?
Over here. Thank you. Okay. Right now we have 2 frames. One take out and another put inside. This is frames. You not
Down there,
full
yeah.
box. Everybody.
What do we
puts
have, 2 or 3 missing over
extra.
there?
Yes, extra frames you put right here.
Okay.
How much you 3 maybe?
I think it was 3.
For this worm, no need it too much. First moment, you know.
Uh-huh.
At this family clean up.
You enjoy?
Yeah, they're really busy on these ones. So these bees are going to be happy to see these brood eggs laid.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
We have hope
Family
now.
maximum happy because everything together. Right now, no queen. You see, put back up. If put
Yeah.
back up,
Yeah.
it's show we don't have queen.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I've never seen that before.
I show for information.
Uh-huh.
You see?
This junk off.
Lina, be careful, no touch this work here. Right here, I'm take out. Clean up frames. There's a swarm, small swarm coming right here, and every mosses take out, no needed. Clean, and cocoons right here. It's help little bit because beekeeper easy help. And doing new comb. That's okay. Family the work, good. Everything clean. Okay. What to do right now? And put right here side,
Okay.
because no black. You see white. Oh,
Yeah.
for honey better. This comb for honey.
Oh.
And this comb too for honey. You see nobody put
Yeah.
eggs.
Uh-huh.
Put right here.
Okay.
And one more comb.
Or you're saying that you put that there and they won't lay eggs in the outside?
Yeah, this lay down next and this clean up.
Uh-huh. Looks like they put some growing cells in there too.
It's better. This for honey. Okay, good, my friend. Excellent.
Let's see what the deal is here. I take this out.
This for you. This take out temporary.
Yeah, there's no wax in these frames
wax?
here. No, so
Okay.
I'll just take this and I've got some wax sheets. I can make a couple more and fill that thing up over there.
Right here, couple bucks? No?
I don't think there is.
No. Okay. You put for here.
Yeah.
This and
Those are
two empty. It's okay. It's fine.
Okay.
Because number 3 story is no.
Yeah, right.
If sometimes Swarm do it himself, you know.
Okay.
Put right here.
This one's got wires. They got.
No,
You don't want to put wires?
No, wires you do it come. Doing one right here,
Yeah.
one doing right here, and put inside. Between here,
Between.
you have need 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Put like this 3.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is side and right here comb straight.
Okay.
And this is comb and no comb straight again.
I see.
Like this.
It'll keep them straight.
Wait, put. Right now, my friend, be doing like this. Pick up right here and put right here. Open roof, everything.
Say, do this. Take these off of here.
No.
What?
Everything stay here. Everything stay here.
What's that whole box on top of
All
that?
box, put top right here.
This one?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were
Pick up,
going to
right-
bring them to your house.
No need. My
You're not?
man. Put your house.
Они сюда не подлетели.
You must understand. Straight go back, straight go. I just need a show for everything. Put right here, top one. Straight, top one. Okay. Nobody here. This. Take out and you have roof.
Yeah, right there.
And roof put right here. Okay? And right now everybody fly. Too many fly bees outside.
Yeah.
Evening everybody come back.
Uh-huh.
You close it right here, close
Okay.
it right here and bring to my house.
Okay. All right.
All bees inside cold.
Okay.
Evening everybody sleeping. Understand?
Okay. Yep.
Now right now.
Yeah.
Because if you're moving right now, we have small bees and missing the hands.
Sure.
Help all everybody missing.
Okay, makes sense to me.
Come on my house night time, pick up 2 beehive right here,
And drop one off.
and this put one place.
Okay. I'll do it. I'll leave it closed tonight, and you open it in the morning, or I'll put tape over here, right?
Evening everybody come here. You must close it right here
Yeah.
because you.
But what I mean is when I get it to your house, should I
my
take the
house.
tape off?
Yeah, open.
Okay.
It's okay. It's all.
Okay.
Night time open. Morning time come back.
Okay.
Everybody fly good.
Okay.
And I'm checking.
Okay.
We'll be doing queen, doing everything.
Okay.
I call for you, pick up everything, okay, after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Okay?
Good. All right. Sounds good.
This bees, look right here, no family.
Yeah.
Everybody flying to round and go inside.
Okay, good.
Okay?
They'll smell the yeah. Okay.
Everybody remember home, come back, evening, stay home, you only push right here, close it and put the
Yeah.
car and move in and pick up my family, who's me doing, and doing two plays right here,
Okay.
put right here. So,
Good.
finish, my friend.
Man, my bee business is growing.
Yeah!
Got lots of them now.
Bruce Wayne, extraction honey. Say it, 1 frames for Bruce, because you have best bras. And
Yeah.
he always help for you, you know. Bring today dog, he eating your bees.
Yeah.
Training dog for your house.
Pavel, you should see my dog swim.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on.
Okay. This 3, you put
Oh, yeah.
right here. This everybody fly.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, you want with no wire?
No, wire, it's okay.
Okay.
If you pull down, maybe not pull right now because not too many family. Not 3-story.
Yeah, right.
Will be story temporary, only closet 3 always full.
Okay, I'm gonna go put these in there now. Yeah, so we're done with this little operation. Pavel has fixed up my bees. It turned out we had 1 swarm, and this was just kind of a leftover over here that got left when I moved the bees too fast, and these ones didn't know how to get home to where the queen was. So Pavel has moved a few frames over from the other hive, the swarm, and brought them over here that has some brood that will hatch. They're going to make a queen out of it and make their own little colony. So Pavel's going to bring it to his houses, which is about 4 or 5 miles away, so that these bees won't try to fly back home to the other hive. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Good day.
Brian and brother Bruce called me help. I have always learning every time I've helped people, looking every time different situation, most good education for me. It's thank you for benefits for me. I have good education, always more grow and good experience, different experience. Honeybees, if you look in different times, you have more experience. It's much better. For me,
Yeah,
for Bruce,
for
happy
us too,
too,
yeah.
for Brian too.
Very
Thank
good.
you guys, and put subscribe and put comments and doing questions. We'll be try answer for you. Thank you very much.
Hey, Willie, jump in.
So he's 1 year old, right?